Amazon is here to shock us with their exciting bedroom gadgets. Sleeping is the main activity we do in our bedroom. Let us try and make sleeping a much more soothing experience. Not just about sleep, there are certain gadgets which are way more out of your imagination. Here are an array of 12 extraordinary gadgets for your bedroom. Number 1. Nightlight LED Star Projector. Put yourself in a serene setting with soothing natural sounds resonating in your ears to help you have a good, dreamy sleep. The Bluetooth speaker plays your favorite music. The Star Projector uses 4 colors, red, green, blue and white, and a dual projection lens to produce 33 light displays in 3 modes and 16 northern light effects. Additionally, the sounds help soothe screaming babies by drawing their attention. The Galaxy Light Projector uses voice control technology. It has a sound-activated rhythm mode that makes the stars and Aurea dance to the beat of the music, which is ideal for parties or to improve the ambience. Own one for just $32. Number 2. Bedroom lamp with 10-watt fast wireless charger. In addition to being a nightstand lamp, it also functions as a clock with a 10-watt fast wireless charger and a USB charging point. This great table lamp can be used for working, studying, reading, and sleeping. To change between the 3 light modes, touch the lamp's arm. This bedroom light has a fast charge rate thanks to its 10-watt fast wireless charger and 5V or 1A USB charging port. You will enjoy this product for $40. Number 3. Arrowweave Air Purifiers. The H13 True HEPA filters used by the Arrowweave Air Purifier adhere to HEPA's specifications for high-efficiency particulate air. Smoke, pollen, dander, hair, and smells are among the 99.97% airborne particles larger than 0.3 microns that it filters. The top aromatherapy pad should infuse 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. When the cleaner is in sleep mode, the fan is decreased to its lowest setting. Create a calm environment by filtering the air with the lowest noise level of 20 decibels. The air purifier refreshes the air 5 times in an hour in spaces up to 215 square feet, which is 25% more effective than conventional purifier systems. It uses air spiral technology and 360-degree air outlets. Guys, this is Amazon's choice too. Number 4. Motion-activated bed light. This light will only light up when it detects your movement and will turn off automatically when you leave, which means power efficiency. PIR motion sensor light with automatic shutoff timer built into the human body. Automatic human induction in a dark environment turns on and off and 3.6 meters of inductive range. The auto shutoff timer has a range of 30 to 6 minutes. Going to the loo at night and don't want to turn on the light if it disturbs others? This one's for you. Along with serving as an under-the-bed lamp, it can also be used in various other household settings, such as stairs, cabinets, furniture, and so forth. $17.99 is the current price of this incredible product. Number 5. Bed Wedge Pillow. Your head position is crucial for good sleep. A bed wedge pillow made of foam closes a 0 to 7 inch gap between the headboard and the mattress. You won't misplace your pillow with it and you'll sleep soundly. It is soft enough to serve as a headboard cushion for a bed at the same time. The Talcuspal mattress wedge pillow cover is incredibly soft to the touch and comprises 100% polyester pongy. Small items like a remote control, a phone, glasses, and more can be stored. Make your sleep more comfortable with this Amazon's Choice product at just $59.99. Number 6. Mini Fridge. Who doesn't want a mini fridge beside their bed, particularly if you're afraid of going alone to the kitchen at night? Okay, this is a mini fridge for you with the dimensions of 9.45 inches in depth, 6.9 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. The capacity is just 4 liters, ideal for a bedroom. Own this Amazon Choice compact freezerless mini fridge for just $50. Number 7. Breathe Sync Sleep Light and Sound Machine. Bedroom is mostly your sleeping room. Breathe Sync Sleep can help you in this. One of the most effective methods for relaxation and deep restful sleep. Close your eyes and time your breathing to one of 5 high-quality rhythmic sounds, or close your eyes and follow the gentle waves that are projected on your ceiling. By coordinating your breathing with your other senses, you'll find it easier to relax and focus. Buy one now for $40. Number 8. Anti-Snore Pillow. The advanced anti-snore pillow was created to reduce snoring and enhance sleep for snorers. Are you one? The user can sleep on his or her side, better aligning the jaw and improving airflow. For happy buyers, results become evident after about 30 days. 100% vented memory foam which keeps you cool and shapes itself to fit your body. The removable cover is machine washable, making cleaning an easy job. Number 9. All-in-one smart remote. One-time control of up to 15 devices. Supports over 500,000 home entertainment devices from 6,000 brands, including your TV, DVD player, cable set-top box, satellite receiver, digital terrestrial receiver, and more. A macro enables you to execute numerous tasks with a single button press. Up to 10 pre-programmed commands can be combined into one button using a macro. As a result, a single button press will become a superhero. Own this universal remote for just $50. Number 10. Air freshener dispenser. Do you have dogs at home? Savavo automatic air fresheners discharge the contained smell from your bedroom. You may adjust the dispensing minute intervals for additional control over the fragrance intensity thanks to the user interface's simplicity. The 2 AA alkaline battery operated perfume dispenser uses innovative chip technology to control functions and the timer. 3 working modes for day, night, and whole day enable the release of the encapsulated scent under particular circumstances. 7 to 9 feet above the ground is the recommended mounting height for this dispenser. Now it's available for $25. Number 11. Folding bedside shelf. This useful bedside shelf keeps you in bed because it eliminates the need to get out of bed to keep your phone or books on the table after use. To prevent spills on your bed or desk, use the spill-proof cup holder which can safely hold your drink. The 4 USB cable slots on the sides allow the mobile phone charging cable to be securely fastened. The removable hanging cups offer additional storage space for organizing small objects. That is a lot of assistance for you. 2 movable side hooks make it easy to hang small items. It is small and lightweight. Why not purchase one for $24? Number 12. YOMYM water bottle dispenser. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night feeling extremely thirsty? Then this gadget is for you. The YOMYM water bottle dispenser comprises 304 stainless steel and high-density ABS plastics. It has an electric pumping device to pump up the water from the bottle to your cups. The gadget features a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery which can be used for 30 to 40 days or 4 to 6 bottles of 5-gallon water on a single charge. This means that you don't need to charge it up every day. Simply fasten the water pump to the bottle neck and one automatic switch operation would jumpstart it. It is also lightweight and easy to handle, which makes it suitable for outdoor and indoor use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. The product links are provided in the descriptions below. Just one click and you'll reach Amazon's world. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Amazon Gadgets videos. Comment down below what your favorite gadget was. See you next time. Goodbye.